Woke up stiff, heavy, or already overwhelmed? Let's shake that off, starting now. This 5-minute flow will unlock your breath, recenter your body, and reignite that spark you've been missing. By the end, something in you will have shifted, and you'll feel it in your posture, your pace, and your presence. We're starting with stillness that speaks. Calm into a high plank, shoulders over wrists, legs long, heels pressing back. This isn't just a hold, it's a wake up. Your muscles, your breath, your willpower, all firing together. Tuck your pelvis slightly, engage your core, press away from the ground through your palms. I promise even just 45 seconds here will flip the switch on your nervous system and stabilize your spine for the day ahead. Beginners, drop to your knees, but keep the core active. Advanced stretches, try shoulder taps without losing your base. Here's a surprising fact. Just 30 seconds of plank can boost dopamine and decrease stress hormones in the brain. Hold it. 5 more seconds. This is where you get sharper. Feel that heat in your belly and arms? That's your energy activating. That just powered up your foundation. Now let's open it all up. Flow with me now. From your plank, drop your knees, sink into child's pose. Hips back, arms forward. Breathe in, and as you exhale, glide forward into cobra stretch. Lifting your chest, keeping elbows bent. Repeat this flow slowly, like a wave. This is your body saying, I'm here, I'm safe, let's rise. In cobra, open the chest and soften your glutes. In child's pose, sink deeper each time. I promise this movement massage will release tension in your lower back and re-energize your spine. Beginners, keep the elbows close and low. Advanced stretches, try pressing into your hands for a deeper back bend. This combo stimulates your vagus nerve, which controls calm, digestion, and heart rate. One more fluid transition. Feel it, that warmth growing. Are you noticing your breath getting deeper? That's your body waking up to possibility. That just unlocked your back. Now let's loosen up your hips. Stand tall, hands on your hips. Imagine you're drawing half circles with your pelvis. Forward, side, back, pause. Then reverse. This isn't a dance move. It's nervous system therapy disguised as mobility. Keep your upper body relaxed. Let your pelvis guide the rhythm. Breathe in the front arc. Breathe out as you round back. I promise this will lubricate your lower spine, release tension from your hip flexors, and warm up your entire core. Beginners, use a wall or chair for balance. Advanced stretches, close your eyes and go slower. Own every micro shift. Your pelvis has over 25 muscles that affect posture, digestion, and even mood. Let's go. 5 more seconds. Bigger circles, more intention. Feel more range on one side than the other. That's where you carry your stress. Let's balance that out next. That just cracked open your lower body. Time to go full circle. Now take it 360. Start slow circles with your hips, back, side, big, smooth, centered. You'll feel this differently than semi-hula hoops because now your glutes, thighs, and core all have to sync up. Stay grounded through your heels. Keep your chest lifted. Switch directions at the halfway mark. I promise this full body spiral boosts blood flow, enhances hip mobility, and resets your balance, physically and mentally. Beginners, keep movements small and supported. Advanced stretches, add arms overhead for more coordination and control. Studies show rotational movement can stimulate both hemispheres of your brain. Hello, morning focus. Keep it going. 5 more seconds. Stay smooth. Stay connected. Do you feel more stable now? That's your nervous system locking in. That just opened your entire body. Now we finish with a grounding reset. Sit tall, feet flat. Hug one knee to your chest. Then switch. Or hug both at once and gently rock side to side. This is your cool down and check in. A moment of comfort, of presence. Lift your chest, relax your shoulders. Use your breath like a hug from the inside. I promise this will decompress your spine and relax your lower back before you launch into your day. Beginners hug one leg at a time. Advanced stretches add a gentle twist after each hug. Knee hugs stimulate your parasympathetic nervous system, the calm you carry into your meetings, workouts, or the school run. 5 more seconds. Breathe deeper into the stillness. Feeling calmer? More grounded? You didn't just stretch, you shifted your entire state. But if you're heading into a day of sitting, stress, or screens, that shift won't last on its own. That's why I created the 3-day reset, a free focus plan to protect your body and keep that clarity, alignment, and strength all day long. Click the link in the description or pinned comment before your system slips back into survival mode. You're building rhythm. Let's lock it in together.